What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Josie and I'm back at you with another video. So that's a Yankee twist crochet hairstyle. However, I'll be untwisting or unraveling the braids. I already did this with the color 1B and color 350. You guys requested for me to try out this method on this color and I wasn't disappointed. I really love the end results and also the tone of colors here. So go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notification if you haven't. And with all that being said, let's get right into the video. So this is my second time installing this particular hair. It's a 12 inches Yankee twist crochet braid from Youngther hair on Amazon. It comes pre-looped and twisted. However, for the sake of this video, we're going to be untwisting it. It's also really springy as well. So I'll go ahead and cut off the ends just a bit so it's easier to separate or unravel without it tangling up. As said earlier, it's 12 inches and also 3-tone colored. Color 1B as the top, color 30 in the middle, and then color 27 for the ends. The link will be in the description if you want to check them out. It's from Youngther hair on Amazon. Now I already have my cornrows in there, 13 in total, 12 in the front and 1 going across at the back. Nothing fancy, just regular all back cornrows. Now it's time to crochet the hair in, and I'll be crocheting 3 strands at a time for the back, 2 for the middle area and then 1 for the front area. This gives it a more natural distribution of hair. Also, I'm single knotting, but you can double knot for extra security, and I'm leaving about half an inch space between each crochet. So I got a comment asking why not I get a regular curly crochet hair if I'm going to untwist or unravel this. So the thing here is this, first of all, gives it a different curl pattern, and the curls on these really last longer. Also, it gives it more volume, and again, this I reinstall. You can choose to install it twisted, and that's fine. I'm just trying to show you different ways to install the same hair to get value for your money. I personally like it untwisted because it gives a more natural curly hair vibe, and I know a lot of people do as well. So whoever asked the question, I hope I've answered it. So I'm finally done crocheting all the hair in, and that's how it looks. I know it looks a bit crazy right now, but I'm going to fix that in a second. I used all the hair. It came in a pack of 6 with 40 strands per pack, so 240 strands in total. Now it's time to trim and shape it, and I'll be cutting in some curtain bangs. Also, I'll be doing it in sections so I don't cut one side more than the other. This is the final look. This is the look I'm going in for. It looks so natural this way. The curls are really bouncy, pretty and springy. For my final thoughts, I completely love every single thing about this hair. I had it in for 5 weeks and the curls were still intact when I took them out, springy and bouncy. It requires little to no maintenance at all. You can just add in some mousse, some curling cream or nothing at all, and just finger comb through it and you're good to go. Again, with this method, you have much more volume than usual. It gives off a natural look and full coverage as well. Also, it's versatile and can be styled differently. and it's really easy, simple and fast to do. You can finish under an hour. So if you're looking for a cute, natural looking curly crochet hairstyle that requires little to no maintenance at all, then I'll highly recommend this hairstyle to you. The link to the hair will be in the description. They have it available in different colors as well. So that'll be all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and also thank you all for 3,000 subscribers. I really do appreciate you guys so much. We've come a long way, and it wouldn't have been made possible without you guys. So thank you all once again, and for my newbies, you're welcome. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think of this hairstyle in the comment section. Also, leave your questions and suggestions in the comment below and I'll gladly answer them. That's all for now. I'll see you in my next video.